Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining me for another video adventure. I am so excited to, one, not only have a new video out today, but to celebrate the anniversary, well, birthday of one of my favorite zombie films ever, The Return of the Living Dead. Now, 1985 was an amazing year, not only because it's my birth year too. I'm going to be 40 as well next month, or yeah. It is July. So next month, yeah, August. And you know what else is celebrating its 40th anniversary is The Return of the Living Dead. And I am so excited to be able to collaborate with the official Return of the Living Dead movie for its 40th anniversary / birthday celebration. And I love this movie so much. It's so punk, it's so badass, and I love zombies. So what's not to love? But I'm really excited because the official Return of the Living Dead movie sent me this amazing box of amazing merch to celebrate with them. And I wanted to do a little unboxing / haul video of one of my favorite zombie films of all time. So let's get into it. Also, side note, if you're listening and you hear random noises, I have 2 cats in my room. So if you hear scratching, that's probably what's going on. Just give it a little... So I went ahead and unboxed this because I was so excited. But the Tarman, thank you so much. This is by Coffin Creeps. It is amazing. Let's get a little. Let's focus that. Yeah. So this little guy, I'm obsessed with. He is one of my absolute favorite parts of the film. The Tarman, if you have watched this movie, you know he is gnarly. He moves in a very gnarly way. He's pretty much the first zombie that we're introduced to in the film. And he's pretty much what kicks off the chaos in Return of the Living Dead. And this guy is one of my favorites. I think that the design for him was amazing. So to have this little figurine is, well, I love it. So, Tarman. So next we have this amazing box of goodies and I'm so excited. I opened it before this, that way it was like, I didn't have to get a knife and, cut myself or anything like that. So let's get into it. Oh my gosh. So first we have these amazing Super 7s right here. We've got Zombie Trash. I love it. Zombie Trash. I love her. Trash is one of my favorites in the film. And if you haven't watched this movie, it is amazing because it has basically all of the 80s goodness, but also has some nudity. And I'm a big fan of nudity and horror. So this movie sits just right with me. And then we have the zombie version of Suicide. So very cool. I love Super 7. In fact, I have a ton of Super 7 figurines of all different sorts, whether it's He-Man. I believe I have some Alien. Super 7 does a really great job with their figurines, and they have really cool shirts too. So I'm really excited to have these. I love these. These two are, this is like the head honcho of the punk group, and then Trash is like the, I don't know. She tries to get with him. So, it's a good time. If you have, I don't want to spoil anything, even though it's been 40 years, but just in case. So the next thing, ooh, Pallbearer Press. Oh my goodness. Casket Kids. So I love Pallbearer Press. They go to a lot of horror conventions. They have everything from figurines to apparel. Actually, one of my favorite pieces of apparel that I've ever picked up from a horror convention is from Pallbearer Press, and it's the Howling shorts that I have. I don't know. I love them so much, and I love Pallbearer Press. So let's get into this little guy. So yeah, that was a cute little bobblehead. It had both of them in it. Very, very cute. Love that. Next. Oh, let's go on and do this. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can feel myself rot. My girl on the table. So I know it's 40 years, right? And I know some people everybody should have seen this if you're a horror fan, right? But my girl on the table, I can feel myself rot. R.I.P. girl. All right. Oh my goodness. I love this. Oh my gosh. My lanyard. Okay, hold on. And the official film crew. Okay, here we go. There we go. Oh yeah, right there. Let's put it on my lanyard because that's way too cool to not do. Okay. All right. Sick. Sorry for all the unwrapping goodness. Oh my god. This is gonna go on my computer. I love it. So cool. I'll make sure, I also took out the t-shirt to already shoot pictures, so they sent me a t-shirt too. So I'll make sure to post some pictures with that. But yeah, I am so pumped. I've got my Tarman. Yes, I've got my little bobblehead of trash and you know, zombie suicide. And I'm so excited. So I just want to say, everybody go check out the official Return of the Living Dead Instagram. And make sure to go check out the movie, Return of the Living Dead. It's the 40th anniversary. What better time to get into some zombie love? And I just want to thank everybody so much for hanging out for another quick little video. I actually had a lot of fun opening this, and it's zombie time. So go enjoy, and happy birthday to the Return of the Living Dead movie. It is a time to celebrate, so thumbs up. Thanks so much for hanging out for another video, and I'll see you guys on the flip side.